The velocity of a projectile at the initial point A is 2I plus 3j meter per second. What is its velocity at point B in meter per second? The problem involves a projectile motion where a projectile is launched at point A with an initial velocity of vector VA, which is nothing but 2I plus 3j meter per second. We are asked to find the velocity at point B, where the projectile is at the same horizontal level as the launch point. In projectile motion, the horizontal component of the velocity remains constant because there is no horizontal acceleration. Therefore, the horizontal component at point B will still be plus 2I. Moving to vertical velocity, which is nothing but y component, the vertical component changes due to gravitational acceleration. Since point B is at the same height as point A, the vertical component of the velocity at B will have the same magnitude but opposite direction as it had at A. Thus, the vertical component at B will be minus 3j cap. So, final velocity at point B will be VB vector is equal to 2I minus 3j meter per second. So, the correct option is B, 2I minus 3j.